Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We've done a repair on this PSG1. We replaced the fire selector on the side with a new one because that was knocked off, and we've put a new cosmetic part here on there because that was cracked, so we thought we'd take the opportunity to just replace that as well since we had the part. And what else did we do? So obviously there was a cycling issue that was fixed, and safety not quite working on so when you move to safety and you move to fire, it was catching quite a lot, so but now it's definitely better. Only occasionally catches, so that should be much better for you hopefully. So but yeah, hopefully that's resolved for you. So but in terms of, like I say, the build, obviously it all remains as before. There you go. So like I say, it's a previous build that was listed on the website. If you search PSG1, I'm sure it'll come up. So but like I say, we just want to keep guns maintained as they break, and then hopefully get them back to you for use. So cool. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.